Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to set dark mode on your Arattai application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable or how to turn on the dark mode on your Arattai app chat app on your mobile phone. So first of all, after opening your Arattai application, click on the three dot option on the top. After clicking on the three dot option, just click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have this option called appearance. Just click on this. After clicking on the appearance, you have the option called night mode. So here you have the four option: enable always, or schedule, or disable, or sync with device setting. So you just need to turn on the dark mode permanently. Just click on the enable always option, first option. Now your dark mode has been enabled. It's simple. Click on the three dots, go to the setting, click on the appearance and just enable it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.